Right, all done. Tomorrow or the next day we shall tackle the front.
24 hours later.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's the next day, so let's get into it. Some olive oil and some gel. Right, with these two sections we're going to create 2 twists. And we're just going to take each one and basically do a crisscross like so, and pin in place. Clumsy boots. Right, now let's move on to the back where we do our braid out. Just gonna use some olive oil. And this helps to prevent frizz. And that's all the braids out, guys. Because I have fine strands, I've got a lot of hair but really fine strands. So what that means is if I try to, you know, go in and separate to make my hair bigger, it will just get frizzy. So I tend to just leave my hair like this and just, you know, I'm gonna tease the roots a little bit using my fingers, and that's it.